Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Market View. Today we will be covering the week starting from 1st November to 5th November 2021. This week we have two holidays, so trading will be only for 3 days. On 4th November we have Muhurt trading and we have released 3 Diwali picks to our annual pack clients for free. And also for my YouTube viewers, we will be releasing one Diwali pick in this video. Wish all my viewers and clients a very happy Diwali. Let's start this episode with the Nifty's overview chart. Nifty made a weekly high of 18,342 and weekly low of 17,613. This week's weekly range was of huge 723 points and Nifty closed at 17,671. This week's close was after losing 443 points. In Nifty's trend chart, you can see Nifty has just pulled back from a new high, still very much above exponential moving average chain. There is no confirmation of a correction in the market. So, market may consolidate in the month of November and then start again the upward rally above 18,000 level. When we move on to FIs and DIs data, FIs sold for 15,700.3 crores and domestic institutions bought for 9,427.2 crores. When we look at current months, last 30 days data, FIs sold for 29,693.8 crores and domestic institutions bought for 7,830.3 crores. So, FI selling dragged the market below 18,000 mark. Our equity market had a historical journey in Samvat 2077 with the Nifty crossing 18,000 and Sensex crossing 16,000 levels. Nifty went up almost 43% in Samvat 2077 while mid cap index went up 70% and small cap went up 82%. In Samvat 2078 also we can make good profit if you pick good stocks. Stock picking is the key for Samvat 2078. Let's have a recap of Swing Delivery profit booked in financial year 2021. We booked nearly 23% profit in HSCL, 22% in Sonata Software, 16% in ICICI Prudential Life, 16% in Tata Motor DVR, Adani Gas we booked 31% and 13% in CLN India. In Intellect we booked 40% and booked 15% in FDC and 21% profit in Camlin Fine and 23% in Marks and Pharma and 20% in MBGH and 34% in JSW Steel, 16% in Newgen, 13% in Laurus Labs, and 26% in KPIT Technologies, 40% in Bodal Chem, and like that nearly 28 stocks we booked more than 20% in profit in nearly 28 stocks. Let's have a look at Manappuram Finance, which was one of our recent Swing Delivery recommendations. We entered in the stock at 170 level on 12th August. And the stock went up and reached our first target 198 last week itself. And you can see the stock closed at 208 despite sharp fall and sell off in the market. Manappuram Finance closed at higher levels and that is the importance of selecting fundamentally good stocks for investing. In Tata Power, we actually recommended the stock on 4th October at 172 level for a target of 220. And we booked a profit of 30% in stock. Actually, in Swing Delivery recommendations, it's very important to book profit on targets. You can see after closing our target of 220, the stock went up to hit a swing high of 267 level. But with market correction, the stock came down to 214 level. Please see the Tata Power profit marked on the chart during this rally if you are having 1000 stocks. Imagine you bought the stock 1000 stocks at 172 by investing 1,72,000 at 220 level. You will be having a profit of 48,000. When the stock hit 250, the profit will go up to 78,000 level. But if you are not booking profit at this higher levels, with Friday's closing price at 214, you will be having only profit of 42,000. So, in swing delivery recommendations, it's very important to book profit on targets. From swing delivery recap, let's straight away have Nifty analysis. You are watching now Nifty's trading pattern last week. Nifty closed on 22nd October at 18,114. On 25th October, Nifty went up 10 points, and 26th October, Nifty went up 143 points. And on 27th October, Nifty made week's high at 18,342, but closed with 57 points loss. And on 20th October, on October month futures expiry day, Nifty went down 353 points to close at 17,857. And on Friday, 29th October, Nifty made a weekly low of 17,630 and lost 185 points. And Nifty went down 443 points or 2.61% last week. Let's move on to Nifty's monthly chart. Nifty closed October month with just 53 points gain, and when we look at 2021 gain, Nifty has lost few points and closed at 3,690 points gain. When we move on to Nifty's weekly chart with major DMAs, 200 DMA is at 15,773, 100 DMA is at 16,732, and 50 DMA is at 17,565, and 20 DMA is at 18,020. When we move on to Nifty's daily chart with technical support and resistance levels, we discussed last week also Nifty testing 17,423 level and reversing from this point. If Nifty move above 17,875 level, Nifty's resistance levels will be 18,137, 18,366, 18,604 and 19,061. In case Nifty break below 17,423, first support will be at 17,146 and 16,693 and 16,062. When we fix a trading range for Nifty, it will be a wide range of 18,137 on upper side and 16,693 on lower side, with 17,423 as pivot point. Now it's time for triple strategies for the next week. Let's have a look at our last year's 4 Diwali picks, 3 for our paid clients and one in YouTube viewers. Before announcing Diwali pick 2021, let's examine what happened to our Diwali picks in 2020. Our first Diwali pick was Lavapola. We recommended a stock on 10th November 20 at 215 level for a target of 300, and we booked a profit of 40% in Lavapola at 303 level. Our second Diwali pick was MHRIL, Mahindra Holidays and Resorts Limited, to enter below 180 level for a target of 260. Actually, after our recommendation, the stock, the company declared a bonus of 1:2. So we adjusted the entry price from 180 to 120 to take care of this bonus issue. And when the stock reached our target of 262, we got more than 116% profit in our second Diwali pick, MHRIL. Third recommendation, JK Lakshmi. In JK Lakshmi, we ended on 12th November at 315 level, and in JK Lakshmi made a huge rally last year after touching our target of 530, giving our clients 68% profit. It went on to hit 816 level. Actually, the stock went up nearly more than 150% from our entry level. Now you are watching our 2019 Diwali pick, which was Adani Gas. We recommended a stock for entry at 150 level for a target of 270, and you can see, you are seeing now the current price of Adani Gas, which is trading at 1,439, which is a rally of 1,339% from our entry price of 150. Let's watch our Diwali pick of 2020 given to our YouTube viewers. It was Polymed. Polymed we recommended at 490 level for a target of 700, and most of our YouTube viewers got more than 42% profit in Polymed. Actually, Polymed continued the rally and hit a swing high of 1165, and actually the stock went up 142% from our entry price of 490. Let's watch a recorded video of Polymed for analyzing the performance of our stock. Diwali peak, we recommended the stock at 490 for a target of 700. On Diwali day, you are seeing stock is trading now at 490 level, then moving up and touching our target in the month of February, and the stock made a huge rally to 1165, giving even 142% profit for our clients. Finally, Diwali pick for YouTube viewers, and the stock is Ujjivan Financial Services. We recommend buying Ujjivan Financial Services below 180 level for a target of 260, and the investment period at the target investment period is 1 year. Let's watch another technical chart of Ujjivan Finance. You can consider Ujjivan Finance for investing below 180 level for a target of 260. We maintain our stock of the week, the same stock, Federal Bank, which we recommended last week also. As the stock corrected to 97 level along with the market's correction last week, the stock closed at 97. We can still consider Federal Bank for investment for a target of 115 and 125 in coming days. Our technical pick of previous week was Canara Bank, which we recommended for an entry at 193 for a target of 215. The stock reached our target 215 even during the market's correction in last week. Current week's triplet technical pick is NMDC. You can consider entering the stock at 143 level for a target of 159. NMDC is trading with a good technical breakout. Let's consider stocks with technical breakout. These stocks are ICICI Bank, Tata Motors, Ramco Cement, SBI and Tata Power. Once again, wish you all a very happy Diwali and very prosperous Samvat 2078. Thank you.